Hey y'all, the wig I will be reviewing today is from ATOZWIG, and this is my first ever sponsored video. They actually reached out to me through my email a couple of weeks ago to ask me to review a wig for them. So I am pretty excited about that, and before I'll show y'all the wig and everything, this is what came in the packaging. This is the card from the company. And it says please message us on Facebook or Instagram with your order ID to get $10 cash back. And you know what? That is what I'm gonna do, because why not take advantage of this deal? And if you don't, like, say for instance, if you don't want $10 cash back, you can also, it says congratulations, you are selected as the winner to get $10 cash back. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram and message us with your order ID to get $10 reward, and you can also choose a free wig instead. So y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want the $10 cash back or the free wig, but I got a decision to make. And it also came with this paper right here saying that, I didn't know, this is my first time ever hearing from this company, and they've been in the business for 10 years. I did not know that. And it's just basically giving a rundown on, you know, they are being honest with their products. They're saying that sometimes the lighting might be different, and sometimes like the picture is not, it says the color is not going to be exactly the same as the pictures. And they even saying if you don't like the color, if it's not your style, you can message them and they will customize you one for free, and you can just keep the wig for free. And that the style will not be exactly the same, and that the wig is, if it's not enough density, is too thin or too thick. But you know, they are basically being honest, and that is really good from a wig company, because sometimes, you know, they will try to fish you with the wigs. So that is pretty good right there. And this, it also came with a wig cap, but I'm gonna be using my own wig cap. I have a new wig cap that I'm actually gonna be using. And this is the wig that I bought from Amazon, and it is 36 inches long. This is a synthetic unit, y'all. And she has lace in the front. Excuse my busted up mannequin head, but she has lace in the front. Like, you can barely see the lace, so it's very transparent. Even when I switch the lighting, it's very transparent. And she has lace in the back too. This is a lot of hair, y'all. She has lace in the back too. And she has a middle part. I'm gonna pluck the part some more. And I'm also gonna flat iron this hair. This is very like a very, is it ash blonde, I want to say. And it is kind of, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's canacolin fiber, and it's 36 inches long. And this density of this wig is really thick. This is 150% density, because the wig is heavy, y'all. The wig is heavy, and I think there's gonna be a lot of hair to work with. But you know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna customize this, and I will see y'all when I get finished with everything. I might come on here looking like a whole nother person. I'm not even gonna look like August no more. So y'all be ready for that. Okay, y'all, this is how the wig looks. I'm gonna flat iron it and all that on here. I mean, I flat ironed it already, and I cut the lace, and this is the parting space of the wig. And the cap construction of this wig is very, very big. And most wigs I fit, they fit kind of snug, but some wigs fit kind of snug on me, and some wigs like they fit tight on me. They be bothering me in the back, but this wig is very, very big. This is, if y'all got a big head, this wig is for y'all. If y'all have a big head. And the hair, y'all, is so long, so it does tangle, and it does have some shedding. But I do want to give a shout out to ATOZWIG for reaching out to me to review this wig. So I am very happy about that. I'm glad that they is sponsoring my video. So I appreciate that very, very much. But let's work with this wig some more, because I just don't want to give it just a very, very bad name, you know. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to try my best to work with this. I feel like this is giving me very Elsa vibes, y'all. Very, very Elsa vibes from this hair color. I don't think this hair color is a good match for me. And I am coming, it has a lot of tangling. But y'all, this is a synthetic wig and it's long. So yeah, you will have some tangling. Like the cons about this wig, it tangles a lot. It's super long. Like, this is way longer than what I'm used to, and it's thick. If it wasn't so thick, I feel like this wig would have been way easier to work with. If the density of this wig wasn't so thick. I understand if it was a shorter wig and the density of it, but I believe they shouldn't put so much density on this wig since it's so long. And like the parting space is like way back here. But the good thing about this wig, y'all, you can't see these tracks. You cannot see the tracks of the wig, so y'all know it's not real. It's not thin. And the other con is that the cap is so big. It's big, y'all. I really had to I really have to make sure this fits on my head right, so it won't be falling off. This is also like Barbie doll hair color. Like not the feel of it. This hair, it feels really nice for it to be synthetic hair. It feels very nice. It doesn't feel like Barbie doll hair, which is good.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Before I get any further with showing this out, look how long this wig is. Like I'm standing up and this wig is still on. I'm just loving my new lighting. I'm so in love with my new lighting, y'all. It just makes everything so much better, y'all. Oh, and another good thing about this wig was the lace. The lace was really, really soft. It wasn't hard. So that's another good thing about it. Just trying to work with what I got, y'all. But the hair does feel nice. It feels very nice. Okay, y'all, I feel like I took so much time with this hair because it's so thick and it's so long. And it is blonde all the way through. It is blonde all the way through. And this is me trying to finesse this wig as much as I could, y'all. But I do feel like I'm giving off Storm vibes. You know, the color of Storm's hair. That's what I feel like. And I just want to say thanks again for ATOZWIG for reaching out to me, and I really, really appreciate that. And y'all, this is the final look right here. This is how I look on the side. And like I said, it's 36 inches long. And if y'all want to purchase this wig, and like, you could probably do way better than I can. You could probably customize it better than me. You probably even have all the tools to really finesse this wig the way you want it to. But if you are a beginner like me, then no, this is not the wig for you, because you're not gonna want to sit up here and take all this time in this hair, because it would be very complicated and it would take up a lot of your time. And that is my honest review about this hair. And I just want to say thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all in my next video.